Welcome you all. Today in this video I am going to help you with negative. Yes, how to make a sentence into a negative, that I am going to help you today. First of all, we go for the present B form of the sentence. Okay, what are all the present B form of the sentence? For that, now I am going to help you. Actually, when you are changing the sentence into negative, you have to concentrate on the be form of the verb in that sentence. We can say that as a helping verb or an auxiliary verb. So in this sentence, you see here, I am a teacher. So in this place, you have to concentrate on the helping verb. Helping verb is am. So you have to change this am into not. Just like that, you have to add not to with this am. Okay, I am not a teacher. In more contrasted form, you have to say, means you can say like this, I'm a teacher. So like that we can say. So just you have to concentrate on the be form of the verb in that sentence. You have to add not to that be form of the verb. Okay. Next sentence I have for you is, he is a driver. So in this sentence, the be form of the verb is. So we have to add not to this is. So he isn't a driver. So like that we can make a sentence. So not also you can, while writing, you can write like this. This is the contrast form. Okay. Third sentence we go for, they are my classmates. Yes. So if you want to change this sentence into negative, means you have to concentrate on the be form of the verb. See, be form of the verb, that helping verb, auxiliary verb in this sentence is are. So we have to add not to with this are. So they aren't my classmates. So like that we can make a sentence into negative. Okay. Only the main thing is you have to concentrate on the be form of the verb in that sentence. Okay. Next I am going to help you with the past form of the, past be form of the verb into a negative sentence. Okay, let's dive into it. Already I told you what all the past be form of the verb that we have is was and were. So now I am going to give you the sentence. It is very easy to change the sentence into negative. First sentence I have for you is, he was a tailor. So if you want to change this into negative, he wasn't a tailor. Yes, very easy. So very easy and very simple. Follow the rule and you also can make a sentence in a negative form. See, next sentence I have for you is, they were in the car. So if you want to change, that means they weren't in the car. So like that we can change the sentence into negative in a past be form of a sentence. Okay. Last and final I have future tense also. Yes, future form of the be form of this verb. Okay, we go for a negative, means first of all we want to write the sentence. So that sentence is, I will go to Mumbai. So this is the sentence. If you want to change that into, just you have to add not to with this will, be form of the verb. So I will not go to Mumbai. So in contrasted form, if you want to write, means we can say will not into won't. Yes, I won't go to Mumbai. So like that we can make a sentence. This will be form of the will we can use for all the subjects, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So that you already know. So like this we can make a sentence. Will not will change into won't. I won't go to Mumbai. Okay. Next and final sentence I have for you is, she will attend the class. Yes, if we want to change the negative, means for this will change into won't. Will plus not will become won't. So she won't attend the class. So like that we can make a sentence. I think this video is useful for you. Very easy and very simple. If you thought this is useful for you, please share with your friends. And thank you so much, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you all. Bye. Take care. Sleep tight all.